Today I am cooking a simple summer dessert. Mash it smoothly. Take any dark chocolate of your choice. I used 3/4 of the bar and leftover I will use later. Mix it well all together. Now we will bake it for 20 minutes. Let it cool down, then add layer of Greek yogurt on top. Melt leftover chocolate in microwave for 1 minute. Add chocolate coating on top of Greek yogurt. Keep in refrigerator for an hour. It tastes like eating cake with yogurt and chocolate. It's not very sweet. For me, it's a very refreshing dessert for the summer. Enjoy.